This is Jason from Build Game. Learn to code through game dev. Part 9 of Parallax scrolling in game closure. So we left off at me creating the reset views method. So we'll just go ahead and add on to that. I'm going to start with a local variable called image molt, which basically here what I want to do is I wanted to get the device's width, which means the screen width, and I'm going to divide it by this dot my width, which is the image width, and then I'm going to add 2. That's just so that I can get enough images to go outside of the actual screen area, not only just cover it. So after that I will do a few more things within this method. I'm going to update the x coordinate of its actual parent here. So whenever I reset it, I want the parent to go back to 0. So that's why I'm putting that, and I'll put a local x equal to my width and a local underscore v, which is a local variable for the view. And what I'm going to do is get the image view pool, and I'll get one of the view pool instance objects. You can look at the obtain view method to get more information on that. After that, I'm going to grab that view pool object, and I'm going to call a method called set image, I'm passing the image link into that, and then I will update the width and the height based on my other variables I set in the set attribute method. And for now I'll put the x at 0 because I just want to do a quick test to see that my image is actually going to show up. And I'll do update options finally. Superview this view, and we'll set the visibility for that object to true. Alright, so next thing we have to do is we're going to go ahead and call reset views in the set attributes, so that when we set the attributes it then initializes all the views. And then we'll go up to the create view layer method in the parallax views, and we're going to call the set image attribute of that layer method. And what we expect to happen here is we'll have one of those images pop into the corner. Let's go ahead and test it. And there it is. So we'll see you in the next video.